Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Roll it for rubber dub.
Glory unto the Most High Jah, Rastafari, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. Yeah. The groove, the groove, the groove, feel the groove. As I step through the doors where magic happens. Temperature 100 degrees, everybody sweat from the music where I make. Artists in the booth voicing big tune while the piano hold the melody. Writers write lyrics while the drummer slap the snare. Bass play earth trembling bass while the keke play the heartbeat. The keke play the heartbeat. Feel the groove, the groove, the groove, the groove. Feel the groove, the groove, the groove. Engineer say me ready for the song to mix because him have magic in him wrist. Him know there is some part to fix, but it's going to be a hit, a hit. This jockey comes with him copy, say it's going to make the whole world happy, 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 happy. Sound man say him want film pan dub because him want him name for call. Because him know this one is gonna be a boom shot in the dancer. Feel the groove, the groove, the groove, the groove. Feel the groove, the groove, the groove, the groove. Well, all the musicians sitting down and talking about good times and bad times. Everybody remember when and remember how. Glory be unto the Most High Jah, Rastafari, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, conquer Lion of the tribe of Judah. Yes, I said that children shall never go astray night nor day, as long as the Rastaman there. You know, Rastaman lead the children in the right direction, you know. Yes, peace and love and unity, yeah. Education is the only way, you know. Rastafari say learn, and if you don't learn, you have to burn and go down like that worm. See, so you better educated than firm, yeah. And I say when you step straight, you know. Don't step with it. You don't know. You can't go as I engage it, bad mind. Whether this time or that time. See, so I say, lead in the right direction and don't lead in the wrong direction. Yeah.